Meaning of devaluation.
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 Devaluation. Devaluation refers to a deliberate decrease in the value of a currency relative to other currencies. The result of devaluation is that the affected currency becomes less valuable compared to other currencies, which leads to an increase in the prices of imported goods and inflation generally. On the other hand, it makes exports more competitive in foreign markets, potentially boosting a country's economy through increased trade. However, devaluation can also result in a reduction in purchasing power for citizens, affecting their ability to buy foreign goods or travel abroad.